Welcome back, everybody. All that rain and snow we've been getting this spring is starting to show up in the river. I must confess, I get a little excited and start fishing larger, size 12 and 14 nymphs when this happens. I tend to walk more of the river during higher flows, looking for calm water along the edges, and I use the length of the rod to reach over harder water to places where trout will seek refuge. I also walk by lots of promising water where wading is unsafe to reach the pockets. So don't let the higher flows put you off the water. Tight lines, everyone.